Welcome to the future of gaming with the ultimate PC builds featuring the RTX 5070 2025 edition. Powered by the all-new RTX 5070, this beast offers next-gen ray tracing, insane frame rates, and jaw-dropping visuals for the most demanding games. With cutting-edge cooling systems, ultra-fast SSDs, and premium motherboards, these builds are optimized for 4K gaming, VR, and everything in between. Whether you're streaming, editing, or diving into a massive open world, the RTX 5070 ensures smooth multitasking, no compromises. Ready to elevate your gaming experience? The RTX 5070 2025 edition is here. Unleash the power and dominate your games. Subscribe for more gaming tech updates.